It's take one. Jeff watching Dana zap himself with a stun gun. All right.
1,000,000 volts. Yeah. Okay.
Hold on. I want the camera to see it. See it hit you.
Oh.
Take everything metal off of you.
Yeah. Well, I guess I can't take my zipper off. That's metal.
Better hit and let go.
Yeah, hit it, let go.
No.
Hit it, let go.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
You ready for this stupid?
Let's go.
Alright, here it goes.
Yeah!
Go, do it again.
That nigga knocked him all the way down. Holy shit.
Alright, do it again.
Hold on, try to hold it for a little longer
Holy
this time.
fucking shit, that nigga collapsed. That nigga fucking said, whoa.
Ready? No, my leg twitches and feeling. And then afterwards it's like icy hot on your leg. Oh, hey, you want to see? I've already done it twice, so it's really no phasing me anymore.
Come on, I want the camera to catch all of it, man. Come on.
Hold on for 30
Watch
seconds.
this shit.
30 seconds is an impossibility while doing it
5
yourself.
seconds. 5 seconds.
I already feel the burn. It's like icy hot inside of my leg right now.
Hold it for 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
No, 5 seconds. 3 seconds.
Alright, 3.
3 seconds.
No, I'm not twitching the arm out.
Here's a hold it for 3 seconds.
Yeah, my leg's already kind of feeling jelly already.